And welcome back to JB Fam Adventures, and today I'm going to show you something that no one has actually ever seen before. It's actually pretty simple. I'm on practice mode right now. Yeah, Granny is in here. So, just go through here. Right, you go through this spot. You go by the piece of meat, and then you see this whole entire different room. Also, to get like stuff, this crow, he always bites you. And also this bird seed that you probably saw. Also, there's also another way to get in. I actually haven't been through the other stuff before. But yeah, I'm the one that discovered this with my little cousin. Actually kind of stick. Weather change. So, okay. So yeah, I need to get to the backyard. So yeah, I've technically discovered like all of that room. So if I see a person that says, "Oh, I discovered this," I'm gonna probably flag it, because unless someone actually discovered this before me, then yeah, that's just that. Alright, let's get to the backyard. Alright, let's get to the backyard. And there's a vent thing right here. It's kind of like a sewer for Granny. Yeah, that's kind of it. This is locked. So yeah, this is locked. And yeah, that's basically it. That's a picture of Granny. So yeah, I'll see you guys in another JB Fam episode, and bye.